Okay, right now our little model, we just blew out her hair. You see how it's stretched from the root all the way down? That's on one side. So we took these braids out on this side and we didn't do anything. And usually the mothers are ready to start combing this hair out, and it usually hurts them. So recognizing if you use that technique, just stretching the hair, which side, Sinai, would you want your mom to comb out?
This side.
Why?
Because it's instead of combing this side, it's really rough and hard to comb. We go this side, it's a little more easy to comb, so they don't have to get hurt.
Oh, so do you think, because you know you're here today to get your ends trimmed, correct?
Yes.
So if moms start, when they wash your hair and braid it up while it's wet like that and it comes out, instead of them taking the brush and just combing out that side, if they took the brush and combed out this side, would it make your ends stay a little longer so you don't have split ends?
Yes.
So we're into healthy hair, correct?
Yes.
And we've been growing your hair. So we need to let moms know that they need to be more gentle with hair, or what?
Gentle.
Gentle? Okay, so we're gonna blow out the other side of your hair, and you want to tell everybody you'll see them in a little while? Tell them.
I'll see you in a little while.
Okay, bye.
Bye.